Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 3232, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 3232? What's the symbolism of 3232? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 3232 mean for love? What does 3232 mean for twin flames? What does 3232 for manifestation? How does angel number 3232 affect finances? What does 3232 mean for former relationships? How does 3232 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 3232? What are the weaknesses of angel number 3232? What's the meaning of angel number 3232? Angel number 3232 signifies harmony, balance, and trust in your inner wisdom. It blends the energies of 3, creativity, communication, growth, and 2, cooperation, intuition, balance, each appearing twice for added emphasis. This number encourages you to maintain faith in your abilities and stay aligned with your purpose. It's a divine reminder that positive energy, collaboration, and self-expression will lead you to fulfillment. You are being supported by the universe and your angels to trust the process, believe in divine timing, and focus on creating joy and balance in your life. What's the symbolism of angel number 3232? Angel number 3232 symbolizes a dynamic flow between creation and cooperation. The repetition of 3 highlights self-expression, inspiration, and joy, while the 2s emphasize harmony, diplomacy, and relationship. Together, they form a pattern of balanced duality, signaling the need to balance personal growth with connection to others. This number reflects both independence and partnership, suggesting that success comes when you blend your talents with teamwork. It symbolizes a call to embrace intuition, act creatively, and maintain emotional equilibrium in all areas of life. Your angels are urging you to align your actions with spiritual wisdom and peaceful intentions. What is the angel number 3232 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 3232 is about finding balance between your inner voice and outer actions. It encourages alignment with your higher self through faith, trust, and positive communication. The number 3 connects to divine expression and joy, while 2 emphasizes spiritual partnerships and intuitive awareness. This number invites you to tune into your guides, listen to your heart, and express your soul's truth in daily life. It also points to a spiritual awakening or deepening connection to divine timing. Spiritually, 3232 urges you to act with grace, stay connected to your spiritual values, and live from your inner light. What does the angel number 3232 mean for love? In love, angel number 3232 encourages emotional harmony, open communication, and mutual respect. It suggests that growth within relationships happens through listening, compassion, and a willingness to work together. If you're in a relationship, 3232 signals a time for strengthening bonds by resolving misunderstandings and supporting each other's dreams. If you're single, this number invites you to align with love through self-worth and openness to balanced partnership. It reminds you that love thrives in honesty, joy, and emotional balance. Trust the process and allow your heart to lead you toward relationships that are emotionally and spiritually aligned. What does angel number 3232 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 3232 highlights the importance of balance, patience, and clear communication. It signifies that both partners are being spiritually guided to align their energies for deeper connection and healing. The 3s bring creativity and emotional expression, while the 2s reinforce union, mutual respect, and divine timing. This number may appear during a time of emotional reconnection or inner work necessary for the relationship to evolve. It encourages both flames to honor their individuality while nurturing the spiritual bond. Angel number 3232 assures that twin flame growth comes from emotional maturity, empathy, and shared purpose. What does angel number 3232 for manifestation? Angel number 3232 is a powerful sign for balanced and intentional manifestation. The energy of 3 empowers imagination, positivity, and speaking desires into existence, while the 2s help ground those dreams with patience, intuition, and cooperation. This number reminds you that your manifestations are supported when you stay optimistic and trust the timing of the universe. Visualizing your goals while remaining emotionally centered allows abundance to flow. It encourages you to collaborate with others or spiritual guides and align your actions. Manifestation is most effective when your inner world reflects peace, faith, and clarity. How does angel number 3232 affect finances? Angel number 3232 brings a message of financial balance, collaboration, and mindful abundance. It encourages you to use your talents creatively, 3, while seeking stable partnerships and practical steps, 2, to reach financial goals. You're being reminded to keep a positive mindset around money and trust your intuition when making decisions. This number supports balanced spending and earning, especially through projects that involve others or rely on communication. Your angels suggest that financial growth is possible when you combine optimism, strategic thinking, and spiritual trust. Stay grounded, avoid impulsive choices, and welcome financial changes as opportunities for long-term security. What does angel number 3232 mean for former relationships? Angel number 3232 encourages healing and closure when it comes to former relationship. It invites you to reflect on the lessons learned and how those experiences helped shape your emotional and spiritual growth. The 3s ask you to express your feelings and release lingering emotions, while the 2s highlight forgiveness, balance, and emotional peace. This number suggests it's time to move forward with grace and clarity. You're being guided to let go of emotional baggage and focus on personal joy and future relationships built on mutual understanding. Use past experiences as wisdom, not burdens, and heal with compassion. How does angel number 3232 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 3232 emphasizes teamwork, communication, and creative leadership. The number 3 enhances your ability to innovate and inspire others, while the 2 supports collaboration, diplomacy, and emotional intelligence at work. You're encouraged to build strong connections with colleagues and pursue roles where your voice and ideas are valued. This number may signal new projects or changes requiring cooperation and clarity. Trust your instincts when making decisions, and remain flexible to navigate challenges. Angel number 3232 supports a balanced work approach, mixing inspiration with practical action to create a fulfilling and successful career path. What are the strengths of angel number 3232? Angel number 3232 offers strengths such as emotional intelligence, strong communication skills, creativity, and adaptability. It empowers people to lead with empathy, build harmonious relationships, and express themselves with confidence. The repeating numbers amplify one's natural ability to inspire, collaborate, and bring balance to chaotic situations. Those influenced by this number often thrive in social or artistic environments and are spiritually attuned to their surroundings. Their optimistic and flexible nature allows them to adjust to changes and maintain peace. These strengths make 3232 a number of gentle leadership, heart-centered decisions, and strong interpersonal connection. What are the weaknesses of angel number 3232? Weaknesses associated with angel number 3232 may include indecisiveness, emotional overdependence, and difficulty setting boundaries. The strong influence of 2 can sometimes make individuals too focused on pleasing others, leading to imbalance in relationship. The energy of May 3rd also cause scattered thinking or difficulty completing tasks. People under this number might avoid conflict, suppress emotions, or struggle to assert themselves. Additionally, they may be prone to self-doubt when faced with big decisions. To overcome these weaknesses, it's important to develop inner confidence, establish clear goals, and maintain boundaries while still practicing empathy and cooperation.